Good afternoon, everybody. Coming to you today. A lot of us out here, we've got a good old pickup truck that we can do our hauling in. This is my beautiful Bella. I love this old girl. Some people aren't as fortunate enough to take and have a pickup truck. I've seen some weird ways stuff has been hauled. I've seen minivans with 2x4s hanging out the sides of them. I've seen a lot of stuff. Had a young man come up here. He needs some bolts pressed out of this leaf spring. I always wondered what these go fast wings were for on the back of these. They can be used for a luggage rack too, or hauling your parts around. Yep, I've got to press these out for him. They ain't no problem. I just thought you guys might find a little humor in this. I did. It's tied on there good. He's not going to get no unsecured load ticket. She's ratcheted right on there good. He went as far to even put a bow tie on it. I like that. I thought y'all might get a chuckle out of this. I did. It's all out of fun. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you around, and be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.